What is Synapse XT? Does it treat tinnitus? Does this really improve your hearing ability? Before we start, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. What is Synapse XT? Synapse XT is an unadulterated and normal detailing that supports psychological execution and upgrades your hearing capacity that is upheld for reasons unknown. Your hearing is straightforwardly associated with your mind, that is, the internal cerebrum has a winding molded organ named cochlea that is dependable to get the message from the ear waterway and forward to the cerebrum to get the input. Frequently this association is lost in numerous people, so that may confront trouble in hearing just as perceiving. Different causes may be appended to the brokenness preparation of data. For example, tuning into stronger music, profound purging of the inward ear. You may have attempted numerous pharmaceutical medications, home cures, or you may be eventually proposed to have a medical procedure. Prior to enjoying any of the referenced medicines, you should consider something that shouldn't have any reactions. The main thing that could fall into this classification is natural fixings. Get 50% off by clicking the first link in the description below. Synapse XT component. As discussed above, Synapse XT is a combination of components that should be impactful in holding mind activeness and the capacity to process the messages. Hawthorn berry. It is a sort of berries that are brimming with enemies of oxidants and achieves mitigating properties. It likewise is by all accounts productive in reducing circulatory strain and blood fats. A few advantages are attached to reducing uneasiness that hugely affects the cerebrum strength of people. Stress and nerves are the primary reasons that occasionally lead to saddle the functionality of the cerebrum. Garlic. It is an incredible fixing that is demonstrated to keep antibacterial properties. It is commonly esteemed that most hearing misfortune issues are caused because of viral infections or now and again are bacterial. It infiltrates profound under the inward ear and battles against the infections that are caused by bacteria. Vitamins. It is proposed that if the consultation misfortune is backed by noisy clamors and break-in message processing. Hence, consuming vitamin A, C, and ER whenever taken along with magnesium would depict astounding outcomes in honing the meeting capacity. Or then again, in case of failure of the maintenance of the connection between the mind and ear, you would have the best outcomes. Juniper berries. These are exceptionally high supplements and gives calming and cell reinforcement effects. Likewise, known to have hostile to diabetic properties. Like the garlic, it contains antibacterial effects that appear to assume an indispensable job in reducing the infection sufficiently. Vitamin C. It is significantly known as the force provider of the body. Vitamin C is a rich source of safe that reinforces your body in battling against any major or minor sicknesses. Synapse XT advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Low price. Customer support. Planned by expert. Improve your health. FDA approved ingredients. 60-day money back guarantee. 100% money back guarantee. No side effects. Completely natural and safe. This program saves time and money. Bolster your hearing, memory, and focus. Bolster perception of senses and sounds. Change your life with clear thinking and hearing. It is without risk and highly effective to use. You do not need to buy any expensive equipment or medicines. Bolster the communication between your cells to minimize signs of brain fatigue. Disadvantages, available online only. Get 50% off by clicking the first link in the description below. Why should you choose Synapse XT? Regularly, you may have met individuals who have been to a scope of physicians to have a compact arrangement, yet they got themselves no place. However, when you meet the individuals who have been protected with such an astounding common product, you would go to check out it and place a request online out of excitement while having plenty of questions in the brain. Such similar to, the company and product authentic and enlisted? Does it involve any reactions? For how long I would need to consume it? In what amount time it will begin to show the outcome? Do I need to make an eating regimen arrangement alongside consuming this enhancement? Undoubtedly, you don't have to overhaul your eating routine arrangement as the medicines are made absolutely through characteristic components. Because of its instinctive nature, their if-not reactions have been accounted for yet. Notwithstanding, the consistency in the practice of admitting each medicine fetches the perfect outcome, so are the issue with this product, yet it will give you results that last more. Order Synapse XT from the official website by clicking the first link in the description below. How to use Synapse XT capsules. To get effective outcomes, you must take the pills consistently. Try not to skip days in the middle. Best you set up date alerts. You need to take 2 capsules every day with a glass of water. For best outcomes, utilize the enhancement for 3 months to a half year. Similarly, as with some other enhancement or diet plan accessible in the market, Synapse XT results may change from individual to another. Where to buy Synapse XT pills and pricing? You can choose one from the numerous packages of Synapse XT accessible on the official site. Plainly, you can get more discount in the event that you purchase a mass arrangement. Here are the subtleties of each arrangement currently being offered. One bottle for a 30-day supply comes for $69. 3 bottles for a 90-day supply come for $59 each. 6 bottles for a 180-day supply come for $49 each. Free shipping on all orders and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Click the first link in the description below to order Synapse XT from the official website now. Synapse XT Honest Review and Final Verdict. Synapse XT appears to be a sensible product for improving your hearable sense, combating tinnitus, and improving mental functioning. Among other characteristic fixings, it contains 8 regular specialists that are nootropics for increasing mental ability. To conclude, Synapse XT is a wondrous formulation that not only restricts hear loss but also helps in curing it and maintaining the right balance to cope with the brain's functionality accurately. To deal with symptoms of minimized cognitive ability and its relation with impaired hearing. To benefit from 50% off on Synapse XT, please click the first link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you in the next review.